Good morning, good morning, good morning! My name is Jacinda Walker. I am a designer, educator, strategist, researcher, entrepreneur, and basically I'm a really cool chick to kind of know. Design Week is an enrichment program that started with the Haddad Design Initiative at Cleveland State University. I concepted this program for middle and high school students to be able to have an opportunity to see and experience and learn about design prior to making a decision to come to college.
My name is Epic and I've been here since last year. It's a really fun camp and it helps you express your creativity. My experience here has been really well. Their food is really good.
It definitely allows us people with creative minds to grow and find people in the same field and basically allow them to gain more skills.
In the fall, I am going to Cleveland State University, and this is my first year in this program. I've learned the principles of design as well as specific things like Adobe Illustrator as well as Photoshop and other Adobe products.
I've been at this camp for 2 years. We've made a bunch of different things. We've been to museums, we've been to different parts of the college. We do editing.
I'm a Cleveland State senior. I have a major in graphic design, a minor in marketing, and a minor in entrepreneurship. And I've taught Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, both years. They're very good kids. They listen well, they ask great questions. They're very, very funny sometimes too. So many shenanigans that can occur.
We get to make our own websites and stuff, write down our ideas, and come to different places to actually put it to use.
If you're young and wondering what career you want to go into, freshly in high school or in middle school, it's a great opportunity to not only get exposed to Cleveland State, but also the different career fields that you can get into.
I would recommend this camp to anyone. Even if you're not into design and stuff, it's really fun.
For parents, middle school educators, high school educators who are interested in having their student experience Design Week, this is an opportunity for them to explore their passion, to take 5 days out of their summer to meet other professionals, experience other students who are interested in the same things that they are, and obtain tactical skills to be able to pursue a career in art or design. This would be an amazing opportunity for them.